What if Lamborghini didn't build a car this time, but your next home, a motorhome? What you're about to see isn't a motorhome, it's a $3 million Lamborghini masterpiece redefining luxury travel. It's Lamborghini's roaring leap into the future, turning highways into runways. With the power of a supercar and comfort of a penthouse, this machine isn't built to move, it's built to dominate every mile. When was the last time your road trip made you feel unstoppable? Ever looked at your camper and thought, this could be more? Because what you're about to see inside is so advanced, so perfectly crafted, it makes million-dollar sports cars look ordinary. Pause. Because what comes next will change how you see travel, forever. As the doors unfold, the silhouette emerges, not an RV, but a Lamborghini that grew wings. Every curve sculpted with purpose, carbon fiber body, razor-sharp LED eyes, a stance that makes traffic stop. This isn't design, it's intimidation on wheels. The grille breathes power, the metallic pearl body gleams like liquid steel, even parked, it feels alive. But here's the thing most people miss, Lamborghini didn't just want beauty, they engineered efficiency. Hidden vents, retractable cameras, and an adaptive suspension that lowers at speed, precision wrapped in elegance. Imagine pulling up to a resort, every head turns, not from noise, but pure awe. The Lamborghini badge doesn't whisper luxury, it commands attention. For the ultra-wealthy, this isn't transportation, it's reputation on wheels. And just when you think the exterior has said it all, the body lifts, the side door glides open, and beyond it lies comfort redefined. Because if the outside feels like power, the inside? It feels like a dream you never want to wake up from. Step inside, and suddenly, speed goes silent. The chaos of the outside world fades, replaced by Italian elegance, ambient light, and absolute control. Every surface breathes Lamborghini DNA, hand-stitched leather, carbon inlays, satin finish aluminum. It's not a cabin, it's a private jet disguised as a motorhome. The lounge opens under a panoramic skylight. Golden light floods the room, you don't just sit here, you arrive. A floating sofa curves around the living area, while hidden compartments glide open with a touch. Every detail whispers money well spent. At the center sits a digital command console, sleek, minimal, alive. One touch adjusts lighting, climate, or privacy tint, another activates lounge mode, lowering the suspension and igniting a soft ambient glow. Even the sound system tuned by Lamborghini engineers, every note hits like a revving V12. Move deeper, and the tone shifts. Now it's not about speed, it's about indulgence. A chef-grade kitchen with induction surfaces, hidden wine chillers, and magnetic drawers built with precision. Beyond that, the bedroom, pure serenity. A king-size memory bed, starlight ceiling, and touch-control blinds that fade the world away. Every inch of this space is built for those who never settle. You don't drive this motorhome, you command it. But here's the part that truly bends reality. All this elegance rides on the same DNA that made Lamborghini legendary: performance, precision, and power. Beneath all that beauty, lies brutality. It's powered by a 6.5-liter Lamborghini V12, delivering 750 horsepower of pure madness. When it starts, it doesn't hum, it roars, like a private jet ready for takeoff. On the highway, it doesn't roll, it erupts forward. Adaptive suspension and all-wheel traction give this giant supercar precision, every curve feels effortless. City quiet. Highway rage. Power meets conscience. Thanks to its advanced hybrid drive tech, it glides in silence one moment and screams like a bull the next. Inside the digital cockpit, Lamborghini DNA runs deep, performance data, terrain maps, voice control, all reacting instantly. You're not just driving, you're commanding the future. Solar panels, self-leveling systems, off-grid power, this beast can live anywhere, anytime. Because this isn't just travel, it's Lamborghini redefining motion itself. They say dreams live in garages. But this one lives on the open road. Because when you drive a Lamborghini motorhome, you're not traveling, you're defying limits. Every mile becomes a statement. Every destination, a red carpet. Imagine parking on a cliff, ocean below, city lights in the distance. And knowing you didn't leave luxury behind, you brought it with you. This isn't about horsepower or high-tech interiors anymore, it's about the feeling. The moment you realize freedom and perfection can exist in the same breath. And as the horizon fades, one truth remains. Lamborghini didn't just build a motorhome. They built a moving emotion. Because this isn't the future of travel. It's the rebirth of adventure. The $3 million Lamborghini motorhome, where luxury learns to move.